Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 of your book Working with Apps. Today we are going to recapitulation of all the points which we have discussed in your previous class of chapter 8 Working with Apps. What are apps? Apps is the short for application. App is the short for application, as we have discussed in your class earlier also. App is the short for application. It is a self-contained program. A self-contained program. Apps are basically a self-contained program which are used to enhance the existing functionality of the device in a user-friendly manner. If you want to enhance the functionality, like if you want to like in our mobile phone we are using different kind of app to improve the functionality of our device. For that we are using app in our devices. Apps are the programs such as Gmail, calendar, camera, music player, WhatsApp, Google Drive, Windows 10, etc. There are different apps we are using in our mobile phone or in laptop or desktop nowadays. They enhance the existing functionality of the device. Without the app, our system is just a blank, our device is just a blank, nothing else. We are using different kind of apps in our device, like calendar we are using, by default it's installed when we install operating system. Gmail, music player, we are using different kind of app in our device. Some of the most popular icons of the app we are using in our mobile phone nowadays: WhatsApp, Facebook, Ola. These are the popular apps we are using in our mobile phone. Next we are going to discuss how do apps work. If you want to do work on app, first you have to download the app from the respective operating system. अगर कोई भी ऐप अगर आपको यूज़ करनी है तो हम उसको रिस्पेक्टिव ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के थ्रू उसको क्या करते हैं, इंस्टॉल करते हैं अपने डिवाइस में. लाइक इन आवर मोबाइल फोन वी आर यूजिंग गूगल प्ले स्टोर फॉर एंड्रॉयड डिवाइसेस. Generally we are using Android devices. If we are using Apple phone, for that we are using Mac operating system, iOS we are using for the Apple phones, but in the Android we are using Google Play Store to install the app. Then how do your app works? App works in the different ways. Some app work like online and some app work offline. Like some work on the internet connection based app and some are without internet connection your apps are working, like calendar, MS Paint. These are the apps already installed in your computer and works without internet connection. And some apps work on the basis of your internet connection, like WhatsApp, Facebook. These apps work on the basis of your internet connection. Or you can say that it comes with a pre-installed operating system software like Android, iOS, Amazon or BlackBerry. These are the different operating system in our devices. So these apps work in that compatible operating system. Every app runs on the operating system for which it has been designed. The required app can be downloaded from the App Store, as we have discussed. If you want to download an app through the Android device, for that you have to use Google Play Store. If you want to work with the help of Apple, for that we have to use iOS. Now if you want to download or install an app through the Google Play Store, you have to follow different steps to download the app through Google Play Store, as I have shown you different steps to download an app through the Google Play Store. There are the various steps you have to follow to download the app through the Google Play Store. First, tap on the Play Store icon. A Play Store icon is given in your mobile phone or in your desktop, you have to tap on the Play Store icon, then tap for the search bar, then type the app name, which app you want to install in your system or in your device. Tap on the then Go button, swipe and navigate to find the desired app. After typing the name, then click on the Go button. There are the different apps available with the same functionality. You have to swipe and navigate to find the desired app which you want to install in your device. Then click on the, or you can say that tap on the install button to download or install an app in your device. You have to follow this step to download the app in your device, then app get installed or downloaded in your system. Now I will show you in your book, as we are discussing chapter 8, working with apps. These are the self-contained programs which are used to enhance the existing functionality of the device in a user-friendly manner, as we have discussed given in your book here also. These are the most popular apps icon given in your book also. How your app works, you can read from here also, as we have discussed in your previous class. Next, you can see how to download and install an app through the Google Play Store. There are the steps given over there in the short I have shown on my screen also, how to download and install an app from Google Play Store. This is the icon of Google Play Store and this is the icon of Apple App Store if you are using iOS operating system. Now, pop-up you have to read. You can follow similar step to download and install application on iPhone, iPad through App Store. If you download or install an app through the Apple App Store, for that you can say that iPhone or iPad, you have to follow the same step to download the app through the App Store for iPhone or iPad. Now next we are going to discuss different types of apps. Different types of apps. Apps can be classified as desktop app, web app and mobile apps. Different types of apps are given over there with the name of desktop app, web app and the mobile app. Desktop app can be used on desktop or laptop. Some app will work on the desktop or laptop are known as a desktop app. These apps do not need internet connection. The app which run on the desktop or laptop, these apps do not need any internet connection and run independently on a computer system. To run a desktop app, it should be first installed on the desktop or laptop. But once you have to install the app on the desktop or laptop, then you won't need any internet connection to run these apps. Example of the desktop app: Paint, Notepad, WordPad, MS Excel are the examples of the desktop app. As you are work in PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Excel, Notepad, WordPad, these apps working without internet connection. That's why they are the desktop app. Now next is your web app. Web apps require an internet connection. Some apps require an internet connection to work on the system. These use a browser to run. These icon need browser to run. User access them like any other web page, then install them on your computer by creating a bookmark page. The example of the web apps are Messenger, Instant Messenger, Google Map, etc. are the example of web app. Next app we are going to discuss is your mobile app. These apps are run on the smartphone or a tablet are the mobile apps. These apps are usually smaller in size as a mobile device have limited memory, because mobile size is small, so these apps having a limited memory. Example of the mobile apps are Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. There are a number of apps we are using nowadays in our mobile phone. These are app are small in size because mobile having a limited memory. Now next we are going to discuss types of mobile app, different type of mobile apps. Now we are going to discuss. Name of the mobile apps are native mobile app, web-based mobile app, hybrid mobile app. Now we are going to discuss all these apps one by one. Native mobile app, web-based mobile app and the hybrid mobile app. Native mobile apps run directly from the mobile devices. These apps run on specific platform. Native mobile app run directly from the mobile device as I said, and these are app run on the specific platform means आपकी किसी platform पे ही execute और run होगी, like Windows 10 पे, Windows 8 पे, that are the native mobile app. Once installed, they can be used even without a internet connection. अगर हम इसको ऐप को once we will install in our system, then we can use that app without internet connection also are the native mobile app. Now next we are going to discuss. Before that I will tell you the example of the native mobile app. You can see here given over there also calculator, calendar, web browser, office application, etc. These are the examples of the native mobile app. Now next we are going to discuss web-based mobile app. Web-based mobile apps are the program that run directly from the browser. If you want to run any application directly from the web browser, for that we have to use web-based mobile app. These apps are not installed in your device. These apps are not installed in your device. We have to install these apps once in our system or in our mobile phone. Then we can, next time there is no need to install when we using these apps like email, chat apps, online mobile games. Once we have installed in our mobile device, next time we can access these apps without installation of these apps that are the web-based mobile app. Now next we are going to discuss hybrid mobile app. These apps are partially native and partially web app. Are the hybrid app means sometimes they need an internet connection and sometimes they not need any internet connection. Are the hybrid app. These are the platform independent apps that can be installed on any platform. Instagram is an example of hybrid app. Like we are using Instagram, that is an example of hybrid app. Like partially native and partially web app I said, means sometimes it needs internet connection and sometimes they don't need internet connection. As once we have installed in our system that app, then next time if you want to access, then we need an internet connection, but there is no need to install again and again. That's why Instagram is an example of hybrid mobile app. We have discussed three types of mobile app: native, hybrid and web-based mobile app. Some they run directly on the mobile device, they run on specific platform, they run on the browser. These apps cannot be used without internet connection. Web-based app like email, chat app, mobile games are the example of the web-based. Hybrid are the partially native and the partially web-based app. They live in any app store and take the advantage of the device feature are the hybrid apps. Example of the hybrid app is Instagram. Given over there you can see here also. Now next we are going to discuss some commonly known apps. I will show you here.
Some commonly known apps. Some of the most commonly used apps under the various categories are educational apps. There are various apps which are education based and provide educational content. Some of them are tailored for kids and primary students, while others for the high school and graduate students. Among these, few popular apps are Amazon Kindle. This service has untold number of books which you can buy, download and read. The books include reference books, textbooks, self-help books, etc. Google Play Books. This service is operated by Google, using which you can purchase and download ebooks. It offers more than 5 million titles. Entertainment apps. Many apps allow you to view movies, listen music, and to play games on the smartphone for your entertainment. YouTube. It is simple to use app which allows to watch and share videos for pleasure. Hotstar. This is a live TV app which allows to watch live cricket matches, movies, serials, etc. Gaana. This is music app to listen and download songs. Social network apps. These types of apps are used by millions of people across the world to socially connect with others. These are Facebook. This is the most widely used social networking app which allows you to connect with your friends and relatives. WhatsApp. This is one of the most common instant messenger app which allows you to communicate with individuals or groups using text, images, videos, etc. E-commerce apps. E-commerce or e-shopping is one of the most widely used internet service these days, which allows you to purchase almost everything online from anywhere in the world. Some of the popular e-commerce apps are Flipkart, Snapdeal, Amazon, Jabong, etc. News apps. There are many apps which allows you to view the news on your mobile device. The popular news apps are India Times, NDTV, Aaj Tak, etc. Developing a mobile app. App development is a process which is used for creating a new app for the mobile device. There are
Now, as we have discussed, most commonly apps, educational app, Amazon Kindle and Google Play Books, as I have shown you in the video part. Entertainment apps, YouTube, Hotstar, Gaana are the entertainment apps. Social networking app, Facebook, WhatsApp to connect all over the world socially with the people. We are using social network apps. E-commerce to buy and sell anything on the internet. For that we are using e-commerce app. Example, Flipkart, Snapdeal are the example of e-commerce app. News app to get the latest news, allow you to view new news on your mobile device. For that we are using news app. Example, NDTV, Aaj Tak, etc. are the news app.
There are many computer languages like Java, C++, Python, etc. which can be used for app development. Along with these, there are some app developing softwares which provide an interactive IDE, integrated development environment, for quickly creating the web app. There are various offline and online app developers which can be used to develop and post the required mobile app. AppyPie is one of the popular and easy to use cloud-based mobile app builder. It enables the users who have no programming skills or experience to develop and publish their apps in Google Play Store, Apple's App Store and AppyPie Marketplace. With AppyPie App Builder, making and publishing a mobile app can be accomplished in 3 easy steps. These are: select category. In this step, you choose the category from the available options. Build your app. In this step, you can choose your theme and add, delete or customize the pages and other features. Building and promoting the app. In the final step, you can save and publish your app on the required app store. Let's now learn to make an app with AppyPie App Maker.
Step 1. Open a browser and type the URL www.appypie.com in the address box. The home page of AppyPie opens. Click on Get Started button to start the process. Step 2. The process starts with the Start tab displayed. Enter a name for your app in the Enter Business Name box. You can change this name later if needed. From the right side of the window, choose a platform, Android or iOS, Features tab opens. Here you can provide the content for the various pages of the app. If needed, you can add more pages by clicking on Add Page button. Step 6. Click on Design Customization tab and make modifications to the app design and layout. Once you finish, click on the Save and Continue button. Step 7. AppyPie opens up the login page. It prompts you to create an account by providing your email ID, mobile number and password. Once your account is created, you can test the app on your mobile phone.
Some commonly known apps. Some of the most
As we have discussed how to develop an app through the AppyPie, you have to follow the steps which I have shown you in the video. How to in the 3 easy steps: building, making and publishing app. Like I will show you again. Select a category, build your app, building and promoting the app. These are the 3 easy steps to build your app using AppyPie, and you have to follow the steps which I have shown you in the video. In this way you can create your app through the AppyPie app builder, and you can choose any category from there, and later on you can change their category also, or you can add number of page in your app. Now come back to the point again. As I've shown you, page number 110 of your book. You have to solve the back exercise given on your page, as we have discussed already. Again, you have to read the chapter and find out the answer of the questions given on your book, page 100, 110, and try in your book. I will
Take the correct answer and fill in the blank.
Dash is the app which let you build your own app. Answer is AppyPie. The Instagram is an example of Dash app. Answer is Hybrid. Short for application is app. Play Store is developed by Google. That is, he said, sorry, we have to put a tick mark here. I will show you here.
Take the correct answer and fill in the blank.
First answer is AppyPie, next one is your Hybrid, next one is your app, next one is your Google, and submit your answer. In this way you have to cross check your answers. Now second question we are going to discuss is your educational app is the Kindle. You have to write here Kindle. Social networking app is your Facebook. You have to write here Facebook. Entertainment is your Hotstar. You have to write the answer. Identify and name these apps. Now we are going to discuss.
identify and name these apps.
First one is your Flipkart. You have to this is your Flipkart app. This is your Facebook app. This is your Gaana app, and this is your Ola Cab app. And submit. In this way you have to submit